Good morning. We're at the Bedford Weir, which is about 30k outside of Blackwater. Nice early morning, nice and crisp. They have a speedboat club here, free parking grounds as well. You can notice must be all the grey nomads around at the moment. And philosophy for the day is integrity. Have integrity. Integrity is everything. You can hear all the birds. There are peacocks around here at certain times. I'm not sure where they hang out. There's all the galahs flying over. So it's a really lovely, peaceful area. Not sure. You probably get some yellow-bellied fish in here as well. The water's down a little bit, but we are in the dry season at the moment. So, yeah. Actually, there you go. That's where all the galahs are hanging out, up there in the trees. There's any ducks around. Huge amount of bird life here, eh? Barbecues, picnic areas. This time of year is actually quite good for it. In summer it can get quite hot, and again in summer you get more rain and it is swimmable. Do a bit of skiing on the creek. Out Weir, that water stretches for kilometres. I think it's a tributary of the Mackenzie River. Look at them all, eh? What a life. I'm not sure how friendly they are. Look at the big old white cockatoo. Look at them all cozy up there, trying to soak up the early morning rays. There's a stork over there. Oh, listen to all the cockatoos on the other side of the creek. There's actually some roo prints on the ground here. I feel like we might see one. A bit chilly, eh? It's probably only about 12 degrees at the moment. There we go. Look at that, eh? Freaking awesome. Oh, Pelican. He fits him in more than his belly can. I don't know if he'll go for this. I'm just waking up from the early morning snooze. Hey, a few waterfowl. Nah, he's not interested. The birds will be down later, they'll get to it. A bit of seedy bread. Never give them white bread though, eh? Looks awesome. That's where all the ducks are. Make sure I don't fall arse over tit. Whack, whack, whack. I don't know if they can see me doing it or not. Anyway. Pretty cool. Ooh, we have a couple of Kookaburras. Hopefully they're still there when we get a bit closer so you can see them. Laugh, Kookaburra, laugh. Kings of the bush are they. Yep. There he is. I don't know if you can spot him. He almost looks... Oh, one's gone. Oh, and he's back again. Hey, I don't know if you eat what I got. Anyway, fucking cool birds, eh? They're snake killers. You see a snake, those things will peck them to the shithouse with their... Ooh, he's got his interest. Slightest movement, man, they see it. They're watching. They'll investigate. Come on, say good morning. Hey. Say good morning. Yep. Most poisonous snake around. They see one, they go after it. They'll attack them left, right and centre. The snake won't survive. Yeah. Anyway, it's time for me to rock and roll. Make like a banana and split. Yeah, it's not really your cup of tea, is it? The Galahs will come down for it later. Oh fellas, time for me to go. Hope everyone's enjoyed this.